Look, the chances are that you've been trying to search up tons of different ways to make money online on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my first $100 in just 30 minutes by using a simple ChatGPT digital product that I plugged into an Instagram trend. And this is how I got sales on this specific digital product in just 30 minutes. Using one simple prompt on ChatGPT that generates me high value ebooks. Through my Instagram page and this specific reel over here that is currently pushing at 1,000 views every hour, that has made me $100 in the first half an hour of posting. In today's video, I'm going to show you in the next couple of 10 minutes how you can set up a simple ChatGPT product to sell on Instagram theme pages and turn this into a full-time thing. By the end of this video, you are going to learn how you can build a true connection with your audience and deliver real value to them to skyrocket your conversion rate from turning your viewers into sales. What's up guys, Jay here. I'm a full-time funnel builder and digital seller and prop firm trader from South Africa that generates $200,000 in net profits on my Instagram page in 2024 so far. Here is a list of the top 20 trending niches happening right now for the strategy to work. Personal finance, health and wellness, sustainable living, personal development, technology and gadgets, traveling, gaming, food and cooking, fashion and beauty, real estate, parenting. I'm specifically going to choose a niche that I know. It's my full-time thing that I do off of YouTube. So what I want you to learn from this is choose something that you potentially have a skill in. Choose something that you also think you would enjoy. If you don't have a skill in any of this, don't worry, you don't need it. I'm going to choose finance and trading because I know this niche works. I also have skill in it. It's my full-time job off of YouTube. This is my finance and trading theme page on Instagram called M Funded. So this is not associated to my personal brand, Jay Froneman. However, my face is the main image of my trading page. And actually, speaking of right now, we just hit 9,000 followers as I refresh this page, simply because this reel over here is absolutely getting pushed like crazy. It's getting about 1,000 views every single hour. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did this as a new page that was getting like hardly any views and how I'm able to get videos like this to push. The first step is to go and create your Instagram theme page and brand it correctly to get sales. So many people that I see on Instagram and that I mentor lose tons of sales and tons of followers because of this. It is so underrated and it's so important that you get this right. Firstly, name your handle, the name of your page. Short, sweet, make sure it's easy to say, make sure it's easy to spell, and easy to remember. Namelicks.com will give you tons of name ideas. Just type in your niche over here and click on generate. I came up with the name M Funded, which stands for Mechanical Methodology Funded Trading. Now, obviously, if I had Mechanical Methodology Funded Trading as my name, it's going to be far too long, very difficult to spell. So when people are searching me up, they are definitely going to make a spelling error. And it's easy to remember. Then for the name of your page, I want you to have your name, M Funded, and then your niche. For example, my page, Discipline Trading Tips. If you're in DIY crafts, craft projects and DIY home improvement. If you're in parenting, parenting tips and child development. Real estate, market trends and home buying tips. I want you to have that keyword in the name of your page. And then your category, in my case, would be education. The first line of your bio. State what you do. What's the point of your page? I help traders create consistent payouts. If you're in real estate, I help tenants 10 times their rental income, for example. Then number 2, state a little bit about what you've done before or a bit of a slogan or a motto or a goal of your page. Transform traders through discipline and profitability is my example. And then state a bit of a testimony. What have you done for other people? I've helped 100 plus tenants went from broke to 6 figures a month. For me, 250 plus funded traders created. Then you want a call to action, which in your case is going to be your ChatGPT digital product, which we're going to create in step number 2 of this video. I've got a YouTube video going through a longer form video on YouTube, which upsells my digital products from there. So this YouTube link is essentially what is getting me sales. Number 2 is now the content for our page. Simply do this. By the time you've created your page, Instagram will pick up what niche you're in. Go and follow people in your niche, real estate investors, traders, parenting tip pages. Go through the top 20 trending niches and go and search technology and gadget pages or traveling or gaming once you've chosen your niche. Go and follow them because this is very important. Once you do that, click on the real page because then Instagram is going to promote you with content in your niche. And this is where the magic happens and how I'm able to blow up Instagram pages within weeks to tens of thousands of followers. All I'm looking for is an Instagram reel that is taking off right now, that is getting substantially more views, likes, and engagement than the amount of followers that page has. So we'll see over here, if I scroll down, if I keep scrolling through, I'm looking for a video that has really taken off. We can judge that by looking at the likes and the comments amount. Here's a decent quote that's got over 7,000 likes. I quickly want to open up his page and I can immediately see he only has 1,000 followers. And that video got 275,000 views. Nearly, is that 200 times the amount of followers that he has? That means this is definitely a video that is pushing. So this is a video we can go and choose because we know if we piggyback this, this is going to get pushed for us as well. You want to save this quote. POV, you realize 90% of 18 to 25-year-olds can't even have 5K to their name and you're stressing because you aren't even a millionaire yet. Obviously now it must be relative to your niche. If you're in a different niche, you're going to have different content popping up. But this is what is popping up in my niche. How do we make this background video? Because not all of us drive a Lamborghini in the middle of the night. There's two ways that you can go and do this. You can go and create your own background or B-roll content, or you can go and use stock videos. I personally recommend put your face to the video. You don't have to be driving in a Lamborghini or a supercar. You can be sitting at your desk working. I'm going to record a quick example for you and I'll be back right now. Okay, so now that I've recorded that example, take a look at this. All I did was record me sitting at my desk, just like this, working on my PC, nothing extravagant. I don't need to be driving a Lambo because not all of us have Lambos. I'm working on the charts, making the aesthetic of the video a part of my niche. And this is how we can go and edit this. Come over to canva.com, search on Canva Reel, click on Instagram Reel, go and click on create a blank template. Next step, click on uploads on the left-hand side, videos, and go and upload that video we have just recorded. Okay, and the key to this is we want to go and cut this video to at least just 3 or 4 seconds long. Doesn't have to be long at all. The reason why we want this video as short as possible is because by the time our viewers scroll past this video on the feed, they've given our video 100% audience retention rate, meaning they've watched the video full. And this is a huge key and metric that Instagram analyzes in its decision-making process on which Instagram Reels they will push to go viral. Now that we have our video, let's decrease the opacity a bit, make it a little bit darker to get this little bit of a darker aesthetic to the video. Click on elements, add a square that looks like this. Drag it over the entire page or the entire canvas, make it black in color. Click on opacity here, and we can now drag this opacity to make this video darker or lighter. So I'm going to make this a little bit darker so it looks just like that. And finally, we can go and add our text. Click on text, click on add a subheading, and go and type your quote. Sweet. Decrease the size a little bit. Put it more up where it is visible, click on effects and click on outline. Make the outline thickness all the way full and make this black in color so that it now looks like this. The next step is to add this audio to our Instagram Reel because a big part of the reason that this Instagram Reel went viral is because most likely this creator used a viral sound. Let's take a listen. Okay, so as you can hear, I'm not going to use the sound because his sound actually includes his Lamborghini engine revving, which is going to sound kind of weird and not match the video if I'm sitting at my desk. In this case, it's fine. You can touch up this video and make it a little bit different. We can go and look for another viral Instagram Reel song. So just continue scrolling through until we see a really viral video. This one over here, 47,000 likes. So this is obviously a sound and a video that went viral. We can click on this audio. Click on this reel and copy the link to this reel. Come over to Google and search Instagram audio download. Click on the first one, download Instagram Reels to MP3 audio, and paste your reel link over here. Click on download, and this will then download to your PC. Come back to Canva, click on audio, click on upload files, and go and upload that reel audio we just downloaded. Click on it and it will now add to your video. We can make this video the same length as the audio, so it's 2.9 seconds long. And take a look at our reel. And just like that, our reel is now complete. You may be wondering, how on earth is this reel going to get us sales? And this is the trick. We're going to add another piece of text, a little body of text here, and we're going to type, steal my strategy. We can then add an emoji by coming over to Google and search point down emoji. Let's use this one here. Copy that, come back to Canva, and we can paste this over here. Click on effects and go and add that same outline. We can just increase that thickness and make that black in color. Or in fact, we can actually add a background like this, decrease the spread, and we can make this maybe green in color. Right click, click on show timing, and we then need to put this halfway through like this. So it only pops up halfway through the video. Exactly like that. Our reel is now complete. Click on share, click on download, and download this to your PC. And now go and post this on Instagram with the following caption. Comment the word PDF, and I'll send you my PDF guide on how I went from $0 to $500,000 funded trader in 6 months. And what this means is when people go and comment on your Instagram post, much like I've got over here. Here are the 5 key lessons I learned as a beginner. Reading caption. Here. Master prop firm trading and gain access to a 6 figures of funding comment course for my free prop firm mastery guide. Hundreds of people commenting course. More and more people. If I click on plus here, I can scroll and scroll and scroll forever. Hundreds of people claiming this course. Now, every time they comment course, my page is automated to send them this PDF guide. Now, step number 4 is to go and set up this PDF guide so that we can secure these sales. Come over to ChatGPT and type the following. Again, you need to make this relative to your niche. I want to write an ebook on how to trade profitably and manage your emotions. This book will be about 20,000 words, and I am looking at having outlines that include making sure to trade with the market trend, manage risk well, and how important it is to be trading based on a trade plan instead of emotions. It will then give me the outline, introduction, Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, 5, 6, and 7, conclusion, additional resources, and an author's note. Then you need to write to ChatGPT. Write the introduction. Copy your introduction that it gives you. Just as is. Copy your introduction as is. Don't need to do more than that. Come over to docs.google.com and let's go and construct this PDF. Open a new document and go and paste the introduction with your title of your ebook, Mastering the Market, Strategies for Profitable Trading and Emotional Control. Introduction, Chapter 1. So all you need to do is then create Chapter 2 by telling ChatGPT to create Chapter 2. And then create Chapter 3 until all 6 chapters are complete. Total of 6 chapters. And once that's done, just continue to copy and paste each and every chapter in your document on Google Docs. Click on File, click on Download as a PDF document. Next step, come over to Gumroad.com, sign in with your account. This is a completely free platform where you can sell digital products online and keep 100% of the profit. Once you've signed in, you'll be able to create a new product. Put the title of your ebook as the name, use the introduction text as the description of your ebook, and you can customize your URL. You can even add a custom domain if you want to. Go and set your price, and that's it. A simple ebook cover you can make on canva.com by typing in ebook cover. Once that's done, we can click on copy link of this product, and if I paste this in a new tab, my viewers will now be able to go and buy this product. And if one reel takes off, there is the possibility that this ebook can get hundreds of sales. Exactly like that is happening on my Instagram page right now. That video is making hundreds of dollars every single week passively, just because I'm replicating trends in my own way. Come over to ManyChat.com, a free tool that you can set up your automation. Click on automation, click on new automation, and it will open up a page that looks like this. And here you can see, click on the user comments on a post or reel and select your reel that you have just posted. Click on next and type in your keyword. Our keyword in this case was PDF. Here, this word PDF. So when our users comment PDF on our post, after they read this caption, they're going to comment PDF. Once they comment PDF, ManyChat is going to signal your page automatically to send them a DM. Hi, thanks for your comment. Here's the link to your guide. simply click on Get This Guide and paste your link over here. And that's it. All you want to do is go and post every day, like I'm doing here. Not all of your videos are going to take off. Even these videos over here that are getting 3,000-4,000 views are still generating sales. And this is how people are running full-time businesses on Instagram. And this can extend into more high-ticket products, such as funnels on ClickFunnels. Speaking of that, and if you want to learn how you can create high-value and high-ticket digital products that you can sell for $200, $300, $400, $500 plus, I'm going to leave a video on the screen over here. It's my full tutorial and funnel building tutorial of how I make between $200 to $400 per sale on my high-ticket products. Click on this video on the screen over here and pair this up with what I've just taught you today, and you will be hitting a super sweet spot to be making a full-time income off of Instagram.